Hello, welcome to Learn Instrumentation. Friends, sometimes it happens that a pressure transmitter is installed in a pipeline and it shows its reading high or low. So today we are going to discuss what are the main reasons behind this. So don't skip the video. Its first reason is impulse line blockage. So first we will see what is impulse line. Impulse line is nothing but it's a line that connects the transmitter to the process line. Here this transmitter is connected from these lines to the process, so these are the impulse line for these transmitters. So sometimes these impulse lines are blocked due to dust or some other particles, so in that case the proper pressure is not reached here, so in that case transmitter can show a high reading or low reading. The another reason is calibration error. Suppose we are using a transmitter and its range is 0 to 10 kg per centimeter square. So calibration is a process in that we match the readings of transmitter according to this pressure. That means at 0 transmitter output must be 4 milliampere and at 10 transmitter output must be 20 milliampere. But at the time of calibration, sometimes it happens that there may be an error in these readings. So due to these errors, transmitter will show a high reading or low reading. Now the next reason is sensor drift or aging. First we will discuss what is sensor drift. Look friends, drift is nothing but it is change. Sometimes when we are using the transmitter for a long time, so its reading may be changed. So it is called the drift. Suppose the transmitter range is 0 to 10 kg per centimeter square. So at 0 its output must be 4 milliampere and at 10 its output must be 20 milliamperes. But as the time passes, this reading may change. Suppose it becomes 4.2 milliampere. Okay, or it may be 3.9 milliampere. So due to this change, transmitter will show low reading or high reading. So because this change is at 0 side, so this is known as zero drift, and this side is known as span side. If the changes are occurred at span side, so this error will known as span drift. In that case, this 20 milliampere output may be 20.2 milliampere or it may be 19.8 milliampere or 19.6 milliampere, 19.7 milliampere. So in that case also the transmitter will show high reading or low reading. The another reason is aging. Aging means the transmitter becomes old. In that case, transmitter reading may also change. Look friends, if you want PDF for this content, you can join our membership program. The next reason is electrical problem. Due to electrical problem, the transmitter readings may also change, and in the electrical problems, there may be mainly 3 problems. The first one is due to interference. Due to interference, the transmitter reading may change. It will show high reading or low reading. The second one is due to faulty power supply. Due to faulty power supply, the transmitter reading may also change. The third one is due to loose wire. If transmitter connections or terminations are loose due to vibrations or any other reason, so in that case also transmitter will show high reading or low reading. The next reason is overpressure. Friends, sometimes pressure becomes very high, so it may be a possibility that it reaches beyond the high limit. So in that case, sensor may be damaged, and in that case, transmitter will show a high reading. The next reason is wrong installation. Look friends, due to wrong installation, transmitter readings will also change. It may show high reading or low reading. And the next one is impulse line leak. We have discussed that impulse lines are the lines that are used to connect process to the transmitter. Here these are the impulse lines. Look friends, in some cases impulse lines are leakage. So in that case the proper pressure will not reach here, so it will show a low reading. But in some cases impulse line leakage is low and an air bubble will be there, so in that case an extra pressure will be created here and transmitter will show a high reading. So in case of impulse line leakage, transmitter will show a low reading or transmitter will show a high reading. So friends, that was our video. If you want more instrumentation videos, subscribe to our channel today. Thanks for watching the video.